SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's a set of strategies and techniques used to increase the visibility of a website by improving its ranking on search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. It's how you get your website to show up higher on Google. When your site ranks higher, it becomes more visible to people searching for related topics, products, or services. When people search for things you offer, you want to be found. Imagine someone looking for a product or service you provide. If your website appears on the first page of search results, they're more likely to click on it. SEO is crucial for online success. It involves keyword research, content creation, link building, and technical optimization to ensure your site is search engine friendly. It brings free, organic traffic. Unlike paid advertising, organic traffic is cost-effective and sustainable in the long run. This means more people find you naturally. As more users discover your site through search engines, your brand's credibility and authority grow. More traffic can lead to more customers and more sales. When your site attracts the right audience, it increases the chances of converting visitors into paying customers. Without SEO, your website is lost in the crowd. The internet is vast, and without proper optimization, your site may never reach its target audience. People won't find you easily. If your site isn't optimized, it will be buried under countless other websites, making it difficult for potential customers to discover you. You'll miss out on valuable customers. Every missed click is a missed opportunity for engagement, leads, and sales. In today's digital world, SEO is not optional, it's a necessity. To stay competitive and relevant, businesses must invest in SEO to ensure their online presence is strong and effective.
Before you start any SEO work, know your audience. Who are you trying to reach? Use tools like Google Analytics. This tool provides valuable insights. It tells you who visits your site. You'll learn about their age, interests, and location. Understanding your audience is crucial. It helps you tailor your content. You can create content that resonates with them. When you know what they like, you can attract them more effectively. Keywords are the words people type into search engines. Keyword research is finding the right words for your website. These words should be relevant to what you offer. They should also be popular enough to attract traffic. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner. This free tool helps you find keywords. It shows you how often people search for them. It also shows you how much competition there is for each keyword. Aim for high-volume, low-competition keywords. Content is king in the SEO world, but not just any content. It has to be high quality and relevant. Write about topics your audience cares about. Use the keywords you researched naturally within your content. Don't stuff keywords unnaturally. This will hurt your rankings. Instead, focus on providing valuable information. Make your content engaging and easy to read. Use headings, bullet points, and images to break up the text.
Section 5. Optimizing your website's pages. On-page SEO is optimizing each page of your website. This helps search engines understand your content. It also improves the user experience. Start with your title tags and meta descriptions. These appear in search results. Use relevant keywords in your title tags and meta descriptions. Optimize your headers, H1, H2, etc. 2. Make sure your website is mobile friendly. Most people browse on their phones. Also ensure your website loads quickly. Slow loading times frustrate visitors and hurt your rankings. Section 6. The Tech Side of SEO. In this section, we delve into the technical aspects that form the backbone of your website's search engine optimization. While content and keywords are crucial, the technical side ensures that your site is accessible, fast, and user-friendly. Technical SEO is the behind-the-scenes work. It's the foundation that supports all your other SEO efforts. Without a solid technical base, even the best content can struggle to rank well. It ensures your website functions correctly. This means making sure that all elements of your site are working as they should, from the code to the user interface. This includes things like site speed, broken links, and sitemaps. Site speed is a critical factor. A slow website can deter users and negatively impact your rankings. Improving site speed is crucial. Techniques like compressing images, leveraging browser caching, and minimizing JavaScript can make a significant difference. It directly impacts user experience and SEO. A faster site keeps users engaged and reduces bounce rates, which search engines take into account. Fix any broken links on your website. Broken links can lead to poor user experience and can be a red flag for search engines. Broken links lead to dead ends and frustrate users. Create an XML sitemap. This is a roadmap for search engines, helping them understand the structure of your site. This is a file that lists all the pages on your website. It ensures that search engines can find and index all your important content. It helps search engines crawl and index your site more effectively. By providing a clear structure, you make it easier for search engines to understand your site, which can improve your rankings. In summary, technical SEO is essential for a well-rounded SEO strategy. It lays the groundwork for all your other efforts, ensuring that your site is not only visible but also functional and user-friendly.
Section 7. Building links for authority. Link building is getting other websites to link to yours. It's like getting endorsements for your website. It shows search engines that your site is trustworthy and authoritative. Focus on acquiring high-quality backlinks. These are links from reputable websites in your niche. Reach out to other website owners and ask for links. You can also guest blog on other websites and link back to your own.
Section 8. Don't forget local SEO. Local SEO helps you rank higher in local search results. This is essential for businesses with physical locations. Claim and optimize your Google My Business profile. This is a free tool that helps you manage your online presence. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number are consistent across all platforms. Encourage customers to leave reviews on Google My Business and other review sites. Positive reviews can boost your local rankings.
Section 9. Social media boosts your reach. Social media plays an indirect role in SEO. It helps drive traffic to your website and increases content visibility. Share your website content on your social media platforms. Use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Engage with your followers and respond to comments. Social media can help you build a community around your brand. This can lead to increased brand awareness and traffic to your website.
Section 10. Tracking your SEO progress. SEO is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. You need to track your progress and make adjustments along the way. Use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console. These tools provide valuable data about your website's performance. Monitor your keyword rankings, website traffic, and user behavior. Identify areas where you can improve your strategy. SEO is about continuous learning and adaptation.
Section 11. Conclusion SEO is a journey. Just like any journey, it has its ups and downs, its challenges and triumphs. But with the right mindset and tools, you can navigate this path successfully. Mastering SEO is an ongoing journey. It's not a one-time task, but a continuous process that requires dedication and strategic planning. Your team's brainstorming sessions and strategy meetings are crucial in laying down the foundation for a successful SEO campaign. It takes time, effort, and consistency to see results. SEO is not an overnight success story. It involves meticulous planning, constant monitoring, and regular updates. The clock ticking symbolizes the patience required, while the team working on computers and typing on keyboards represents the relentless effort and consistency needed to achieve your goals. But the rewards are worth it. When your hard work pays off, the sense of achievement is unparalleled. Celebrating these milestones with your team not only boosts morale, but also reinforces the importance of perseverance and teamwork in the SEO journey. By following the tips in this guide, you can improve your website's visibility, attract more traffic, and achieve your online goals. Analyzing website analytics helps you understand what's working and what needs improvement. This data-driven approach ensures that your strategies are effective and aligned with your business objectives. Remember to stay updated with the latest SEO trends. The digital landscape is ever-changing, and staying informed about the latest developments is crucial. Reading SEO news and keeping up with industry trends will help you stay ahead of the curve. Search engines are constantly evolving, algorithms are updated frequently, and what works today might not work tomorrow. This constant evolution requires you to be adaptable and ready to pivot your strategies as needed. What works today might not work tomorrow. Therefore, it's essential to have a flexible approach and be prepared to adjust your strategies. Regular discussions and future planning sessions with your team will help you stay proactive and responsive to changes. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to long-term success in the ever-changing world of SEO. Investing in training sessions and fostering a culture of continuous learning within your team will ensure that you are always equipped with the latest knowledge and skills to tackle new challenges and seize opportunities in the dynamic field of SEO.